How to delete all duplicate photos on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete all duplicate photos on your iPhone. So before we begin with that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So first step here is make sure that your iPhone is up to date to the latest version of its software. So let me just open up my settings, go back here. So after you're on your settings, this is the page you'll be on. Go to general, then go to software update. If you see an update available, it will pop up right here. Let it check for update, and if you see an update present like this, tap on update now and update the app. After you've done that, you can then open up your photos. And on your photos, if you scroll down under utilities, you'll find the option called duplicates. If you simply head over to the duplicates tab here, you'll see all the photos and their duplicates. From there, you can select every duplicate one and then delete it. And it's that simple. And yeah, that's how you can delete all duplicate photos on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.